This is not a story that you've heard or you know. Everyone in black from their head to their toe, and I'm sitting in the back in the very last row, hearing everybody ask why I had to go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're gathered here today to talk about the end and a friend gone away. Talk about pretending they don't know what to say, and they're tripping over words, but they're talking anyway. Mingling and singing all these really sad songs, talking up what I did right and forgetting all my wrongs, saying how they'll miss me so much now that I'm gone. Man, this is depressing. Let's move on. Let's move on. Come back to life like the light of the dawn. It's like a tightrope, just move right along. Don't look down and don't step wrong. We don't have time, so just move on. Friends from my past wiping tears on their sleeve, in between people that were never close to me. And as I turn my back on everyone to leave, I know that I'll be back to see them all eventually. I gotta go away just to try something new, cause what I'm used to isn't all that I can do. Just a change of scenery, just another view. Take it back to the beginning, take it back to the roots. Let's move on. Come back to life like the light of the dawn. It's like a tightrope, just move right along. Don't look